Hello everyone, myself Vivek Wakode and my topic name is Normalization in adbms. Introduction. Normalization is fundamental concept in database design that aims to organize data in a way that reduce redundancy and dependency. The process of normalization involves structuring a relational database in such a way that it adheres to certain rules of normal forms which are designed to minimize data anomalies and ensure data integrity. Key objectives of normalization: first one, reduce data redundancy; second one, enhance data integrity; third one, facilitate efficient data management, improve query performance; fifth one, support scalability and maintenance.
Hello everyone, myself Sanjog More and I am going to discuss about key objectives of normalization. First one is the functional dependency. Second one is the normal forms. In that the first one is the first normal form 1NF, second normal form 2NF, third normal form 3NF, fourth is the Boyce cold normal form BCNF, fourth normal form 4NF, sixth normal form 6NF, and the third one is the denormalization. The first one is the functional dependency, a relationship that exists when one attribute uniquely determines other attribute. For example, if you have table of employee, the employee ID can determine the employee name. Second one is the normal form. Normalization is typically carried out in the stages known as normal form. Each normal form has specific requirements that must be met. Most commonly used normal forms are: first normal form 1F and 1NF ensures that all columns contain atomic individual values and that column contains value of a single type. There should be no repeating groups of array. Rule for that is all attributes columns must have atomic individual values and each record must be unique. Goal of that is to eliminate repeating groups and ensure that each field contains only one value. Second normal form 2NF achieved when a table is in 1NF and all non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on a primary key. This means that no non-key attribute should depend on the part of composite primary key. Rule must be in 2NF and there should be no transitive dependency, and that is non-key attribute depending on other non-key attribute. Goal for it is to ensure non-key attributes are only depend on primary key. Applies mainly to table with composite primary key. Third normal form 3NF. A table is 3NF if it is 2NF and all the attributes are functionally dependent only on primary key. This eliminates transitive dependencies where a non-key attribute depends on other non-key attribute. Rule must be in 2NF and there should be a transitive dependency, that is non-key attribute depending on other key attribute. Goal to ensure non-key attribute that only dependent on the primary key. Boyce code normal form BCNF, a stronger version of 3NF where every determine is the candidate key. This address certain types of anomalies that 3NF does not cover. Rule: a stronger version of 3NF every determine must be a candidate key. Goal: certain handle types anomalies not handled by 3NF, especially when there are overlapping candidates. 4NF deals with multi-value dependency, ensuring that no table contains two or more independent multi-value data describing the same entity. Rule must be BCNF. A multi-value dependency should be eliminated. Goal: prevent multi-value dependency anomalies.
Bias code normal form BCNF, a stronger version of 3NF where every determinant is candidate key. This addresses certain types of anomalies that 3NF does not cover. Fourth normal form 4NF deals with multi-valued dependencies, ensuring that no table contains two or more independent multi-valued data describing the same entity. Fifth normal form 5NF, also known as a project join normal form. It deals with cases where information can be reconstructed from smaller pieces of information. Third point, denormalization. In some cases, for performance reasons, a database may not be denormalized, which involves intentionally introducing redundancy into database design. This can improve read performance but may complicate data integrity by update operations. Summary of normal forms. Normal for and requirements. First, 1NF atomic values and normal unique entries, no repeating groups. 2NF 1NF plus non-partial dependencies. 3NF 2NF plus transitive dependencies. BCNF is 3NF plus determinant is candidate key. 4NF BCNF plus no multi-valued dependencies. 5NF 4NF plus no join dependencies. DKNF free from all modification anomalies. Benefits of normalization: reduce data redundancy by organizing data into related tables. Minimizes duplication. Improved data integrity ensures that data is consistent and accurate across database. Easier maintenance. Changes to data structures can be made more easily without affecting other parts of database. Efficient queries. Well-structured data can lead to more efficient query execution.
Challenges of normalization. Complex queries. Normalized database may require more complex joins which can impact performance. Overhead. The process of normalization can introduce overhead in terms of additional tables and relationships, which may complicate the database design. Normalization advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of normalization: elimination of redundancy, improved data integrity, easier maintenance, enhanced query performance, better data organization. Disadvantages of normalization: complexity, performance overhead, increased number of table, difficulty in reporting, potential for over normalization. Thank you.